Ever since Barack Obama stole Mitt Romney's health care plan, Republicans have been floundering trying to come up with an alternative. They've had over 15 years to come up with something else, and they have failed miserably. Well, today, an unknown Republican senator from Kansas just completely humiliated Trump by accidentally revealing that Republicans still have only a concept of a plan, that what little they do have is still absolutely smoke and mirrors, and that finally, they're going to depend on women to make the plan work. You could not have created a more jaw-dropping, embarrassing moment if you had scripted it for Saturday Night Live. I'm going to show the clip revealing this Republican healthcare plan, and you will not believe what you hear. I guarantee it. This is the kind of clip you're going to be sharing with friends with the caption, "Tell me I didn't just hear what I think I just heard." That's how unbelievably stupid it is. So hit our subscribe button so we can keep calling out this nonsense and making it public before the Republicans completely drive this country over a cliff. There's absolutely no coincidence that Kansas Senator Rick Marshall is on Newsmax trying to peddle this nonsense because House members have launched a new discharge petition, and this one has more backing than the Epstein files. House Minority Leader Hakeem Jeffries is leading the charge on a discharge petition that would extend ACA tax credits for another 3 years. And with a lot of swing district Republicans facing angry voters over health care costs, this petition should succeed more easily than Epstein.
But even as you file this discharge petition, are you still willing to negotiate on this issue with Republicans?
We've always been willing to negotiate in a bipartisan way, but Republicans have been unwilling to sit down and even have a conversation with Democrats designed to actually solve the problem that they've created.
The clock is ticking on the ACA tax credits. They expire in just a couple of weeks, which is why Republicans are making the rounds. But in trying to whip up support for the concept of a plan, the one thing Republicans do not want to do is let the cat out of the bag that they have no plan. Well, somebody didn't tell that to Kansas Senator Rick Marshall. Watch him reveal that they have nothing but gimmicks.
A lot of Americans, even fellow lawmakers, feel the federal government has made health care more expensive with layers of mandates, regulations, right. The middlemen. Is scaling back Washington's role part of the answer?
Absolutely, and good morning to everybody. Look, I came to Congress to fix the cost of health care. I ran a hospital as a practicing physician for 25 years. I oversaw health departments. When we saw Obamacare, we knew that it was going to empower insurance companies. So Congress, your tax dollars, $150 billion a year, we're borrowing from your grandchildren to send to big insurance companies. Instead of empowering insurance companies, we want to empower you, the consumer. So we want to send part of that money to your healthcare savings account, but it has to be coupled with a price tags bill. Americans are great consumers. We're going to force all providers, all healthcare providers, to show you a price tag. And by the way, women make 80% of the healthcare decisions on where you're going to go. They're great shoppers. If we put money in your healthcare savings account, if we show you the price tags, Art Laffer says that's going to bring down the cost of healthcare $1 trillion. That's $1,000 a month for hardworking families.
It's hard to decide what is more idiotic about this plan. The fact that it is another Republican plan that is based on fairy tale savings to make it work, or the fact that medical savings accounts will not work for working class voters. But here is the plan in a nutshell. The government is going to give you $4,000 to purchase $28,000 worth of health insurance. But wait, that's not really going to work, right? You're still on the hook for $24,000. Not to worry, this Republican says. Those little women out there with all their savvy grocery shopping and coupon clipping are going to search for the best deal out there, and that is going to lower costs. And he said it with a straight face. It's not a plan. It's not even the concept of a plan. It's a scam. And you know it's a scam because, lo and behold, Jeff Bezos gets to profit over it.
And then if we allowed association plans to be sold across state lines, then a Costco or Amazon could offer some type of an association healthcare plan.
The grift just keeps on grifting. We don't want to give money to those health insurance companies, but boy, is it okay to give it to Amazon.com. I'm Anthony Vincent Gallo for Occupy Democrats. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You'll not only help out our channel, you'll be taking concrete action and helping get rid of Trump and the MAGA movement who ushered him in.